Season 5. Can we have a big round of applause for one and all? It was a terrific EPL Season 5, one which we will remember for a long time. Without any further ado, let me invite the people who matter the most, the ones who are going to be a part of the presentation ceremony. First and foremost, it's time for me to invite Sunil Singhania ji, the chairman, to please come up on stage. Zorda Talia, and then Hamare Honorary Secretary, Mr. Manoj Kesri, the managing committee members, Mr. Amrish Javeri, Shaili Jha, Sandeep Vaidya, Rupindra Soni, requesting all the managing committee members to please come up on stage. Not to forget Mr. Sashi Kedia, Mr. Sambhu Sharma and Colonel Digambar ji to please come up. Requesting Sucharita Shetty, Pavan Mundra, Vikas Gupta and Michael to please come up on stage. Requesting Dr. Nikhil to please come up. Chale, for one final time, a big round of applause for the presentation party. We're about to get underway. We get started with the Yes, it's time for us to thank the event partners, the vendors who made this possible. It's time for the LED person to please step up. The LED person. Inviting the photographer to please come up on stage. The photographer to please come up on stage. Where is he? Stage पर आइए थोड़ा सा. Yes, the OC members will present a thanksgiving to him.
Check, hello, check.
Yes, can we present a round of applause to all these event partners? They made this possible. Requesting the YouTube team, live streaming team, Sahil and his team to please come forward. Mr. Sahil. A lovely camera work, good coverage. Requesting Sahil to please come forward. It's a time for us to present a thanks to the Sahil is up there. He was in charge of getting you the live streaming, the live pictures. Sucharita presenting the thanksgiving to him.
Well done, guys, well done.
Yes, and now we request the DJ to please come up. That is Prasad and Sagar. And the umpires need to be ready. The umpires are next in line. All the 5 umpires, you need to be ready.
Umpires, be ready.
The umpires, scorers, everybody needs to be ready. For the moment, we are inviting the DJ. Prasad from DJ Sound, that is Sagar collecting. That is a token of appreciation on behalf of the exquisite. May I request the umpires to please come along. Zorda Talia hamare umpires ke liye. It's a tough job. It is a very, very tough job and they have been very consistent. So nothing to complain. Manoj, Sunil, Prajwal, Shiv, Sandeep and Shivam, that is the umpiring panel. It will always be a thankless job. They are human beings at the end of the day. They did a fantastic job. Or it's time for the Quick Heroes. Mr. Vicky, who did a fantastic job on the digital.
Can we have Vicky Rathod over here?
Vicky Rathod is on his way. He was fabulous, spot on with the scoring. Ball by ball records have been maintained. A big thank you to Mr. Vicky Rathod for doing such a swell job. And now it's time for the two scorers to be applauded, Sachin and Nitish. Sachin and Nitish, requesting both of you all to please come up. Quick Heroes, Nitish.
Can we request our dear Nishad Bhai, who has entertained us in last 6 days? Big round of applause for Nishad Bhai. Since we are through with the officials, now we will move on to the presentations for the players. The first category being the kids category. There is a man of the match for the finals in the kids category, and the man of the match is Arjun Puri. Arjun Puri.
The man of the match. Man of the match in the grand finale as far as the kids tournament is concerned is Arjun Puri, is the future of Exquisite Premier League. There is no doubt about it. So let's give him a big shout out. Well done, boy. And now we next
we move on to the runner-ups for the kids category. Can I request Amrish to hand over the mementos to the runner-up teams? Can the runner-up team please come on the stage one by one? Runner-up team name Master Blaster. The future of Exquisite Premier League.
Yes, each and every player gets a participating memento as far as the runners-up team and the champion teams are concerned. Nobody goes back empty-handed. Where are the other players, Master Blasters?
Can I request other players of Master Blasters to come on the stage, please? Okay, they can come tomorrow. Right. They can come and get mementos from JLL office. Now comes the big one, the kids. Big round of applause for Team Thunder. Can I request Shambhuji and Surajit Dada to hand over the mementos, please? Shambhuji and Surajit Dada. Shambhuji, if you are around, please come on the stage. Dada, if you can hand over the trophy. Monica, if you can hand over Monica, if you can also come and hand over the trophy.
The kids champion team collecting their trophy.
Have your moment, guys. Have your moment. Great going, guys. Great going. Moving on. Moving on to the next category. We move on to the category in the women's. Women's categories. Yeah, no. The first award in the women's category. No. The women's player of the series. Any guesses?
Soumya Shetty.
Can I have
guess.
Sandeep to hand over the award, please? Women player. जबरदस्त छक्के मारे हैं भाई. Soumya, you don't have to go off the stage. The next one also belongs to you. The best batsman EPL tournament. Batter. Okay, again the next one, big one. Best all-rounder EPL tournament women's. Any guesses? Right, Shaili Jha. Again the next very big one. Very, very big one. Best bowler EPL tournament. Any guesses? Can I request Kanta to come on the stage, and can I request Sandeep along with the other KP to come and give the award? Well done, Kanta. The next one, can I request Michael to hand over the award, Best Fielder EPL Tournament Women. Any guess?
Akshata. I'm only guessing. I don't know who it is.
So, the Best Fielder EPL Tournament goes to Suchi. Can I request Sucharita now to hand over the big one? Big one, Suchi. Man of the final. Women of the final. Any guess? The guesses are so simple, man. Soumya Shetty again.
Soumya, excuse me for calling you the Dada player, but you are a terrific player, blockbuster player. जोरदार तालियां सौम्या के लिए.
Okay. Soumya, you don't have to go on off the stage actually. The max 6 in the final matches. The max 4s in the final matches. Max 4s in the EPL tournament. Max 6s in the EPL tournament. All goes to Suchi, if you can hand over the gift.
Soumya, do you have enough place at your residence to keep the trophies?
Can I request now Amrish to hand over Best Wicketkeeper EPL Tournament Women's category. Our senior member Bhagwati ji. Nike Warriors, get ready to take your mementos. Runner-up team, women's EPL 5, Nike Warriors. Can I request to all my OC members and or managing committee members to hand over the mementos one by one? Well played, guys. Well played. Big round of applause for runner-up team. Come back stronger, guys, next year. The big one, no guesses for this actually. The winner of the EPL 5 Women's Selective 11. Can I request Manoj Bhai and Rupi?
Let's give our girls team a big round of applause. They were really the better. They dominated the women's premier like
Big round of applause, guys.
like never before.
Pride moment, Selective 11. Where is KP?
They also collect the cash purse. डीजे थोड़ा साउंड बढ़ाओ प्लीज म्यूजिक का.
Guys, you can, the winning team, you can enjoy a trophy for a day and you have to hand it over back to JLL office, please. It's a running trophy. Once again, I'm requesting all the winning team, to both the winning teams actually, just hand over the trophy after a day back to JLL office. Moving on to the men's category. Big names, big performances. Man of the series, can I request Sunilji to hand over the prize to the man of the series men's category? Any guesses, guys? It's a very repetitive name. What is the name? Chinmay Singhvi. Well done, Chinmay. Moving on to the next. Best Batsman EPL Tournament. Can I request Manoj Bhai to hand over the award to a dynamite, a power hitter, a find of this EPL 5. The Best Batsman EPL Tournament, Manish Mehta. Well done, Manish. Best all-rounder, Manoj Bhai, can I again request you to hand over? Any guesses? Bowling, batting, fielding. Chinmay. Well done, Chinmay. The bowler who has been really troubling all the batsmen. Best bowler, I don't know. Can there be any guesses? Saurabh. Can I request Monica to please hand over? Well done, Saurabh. The macho man, the athletic man who has been fielding like a live wire. Jonty Rhodes, the best fielder EPL tournament men's category. Rajan Soni. Is he here? Can Digambarji please hand over? Is he not? Can someone collect on behalf of Rajan Soni? Tarun, if you can collect. You were waiting for this moment, Tarun. I was aware about it. Can I request Michael to declare man of the match final? Any guesses, guys? Mangesh. Moving on. Max Force in a final match. Can I request Chinmay to come on the stage and take his award? Unfortunately, we could see only 1-4, but that was from Chinmay. Nikhil, if you can hand over. Max Force in an EPL tournament. Any guesses, guys? Look beyond superstars, look beyond CSK. Any other guesses? Maximum Force. Okay, it's Ali Baba. Where is Ali? Can someone from Nayak Warriors come and take his award? Okay, Tarun gets his second opportunity. Kodak moment for Tarun. Big one. The power hitter. maximum sixes in an EPL tournament?
Amit Sood!
I think so. I would like to give an award to Amit Sood actually. The person who was holding the horses behind the wicket. Tricky one. Best wicket keeper in the EPL tournament. Can I request Rupi to hand over the award to? Okay, superstar, get ready. Ashish Jalan.
एक बंदे ने 8 रन मारा, उसको भी दे दो। एक बंदे ने 8 मारा पूरे IPL में।
There was only one person who scored 8-run boundary. Shubham Kirodian. We would like to give award to him. Is he around? Nayak Warriors. Tarun boss, मतलब पूरा planned strategy है. Okay, Abhinav is there. Okay, can I request all OC members and MC members to hand over the mementos to the runner-up team, EPL 5 men's category. Can I request CSK to come on the stage?
अभी इसके बाद जो होगा ना अनाउंसमेंट से मेरे कान बंद कर देना पूरी तरह
Music guys, music.
Make some noise.
Chalo, make some noise.
Let's have 3 cheers for the team. Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray! Well played, Team CSK. Better luck next time. Let the stage be set for the winners.
वीनस का ट्रॉफी में मोनिका का नाम जरूर।
चैंपियंस का यहाँ पे लेके आ जाओ। थोड़ा वेट लेट अस प्रिपेयर। एक जब वो मनोज भाई जब वो यहाँ पे बैठ जाएंगे ना वो लग जाएगा उसके बाद रेडी आ जाओ भाई आ जाओ
क्या है ना सर? हेलो 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 हेलो
कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ। गला बैठा हुआ है।